As scandal flares up back home, President Trump is in France to warm up relations with French President Emmanuel Macron and try to change the subject. But Trump's problems followed him across the Atlantic, as he was asked Thursday to explain why his son met with a Russian lawyer under the assumption she had damaging information on Hillary Clinton during the 2016 campaign.
Were you misled by your team in not knowing about this meeting?
As far as my son is concerned, my son is a wonderful young man.
The president downplaying his son's rendezvous, which was framed in an email to Donald Trump Jr. as part of Russia's support for Mr. Trump, to which Don Jr. replied, "I love it."
Most people would have taken that meeting. It's called opposition research or even research into your opponent.
Whether that's true is a question likely taken up by investigators at the Justice Department and the Senate Judiciary Committee, who now wants Donald Trump Jr. to testify under oath before Congress, possibly as early as next week. The president told Reuters Wednesday he only found out about his son's meeting just days ago. Still, the investigators are likely to probe the timeline of Donald Jr.'s Russian connection and what followed. Just 3 hours after Trump Jr. confirmed the meeting in an email on June 7th, Trump took the stage in New York promising dirt on Hillary.
I am going to give a major speech on probably Monday of next week, and we're going to be discussing all of the things that have taken place with the Clintons. I think you're going to find it very informative and very, very interesting.
But after his son's meeting on June 9th, which was apparently a dud, Trump's promised bombshell speech on Clinton was canceled. Amid all of these questions of coincidence or coordination, a chance to change the scenery. The Trumps and Macrons touring the sites Thursday, including a trip to Napoleon's tomb at Les Invalides. The trip designed to improve relations between the two countries after a rocky start with very public disagreements over the Paris Climate Accord. The U.S. president, who pulled America out of the accord last month, on Thursday coyly suggested that could change.
Yeah, I mean, something could happen with respect to the Paris Accord. We'll see what happens.
The two men capping off their first day with a lavish meal atop the Eiffel Tower, followed by a massive Bastille Day celebration Friday, complete with a military parade and centennial commemorations of the entry of U.S. troops into World War I.